Welcome to the beautiful Rainbow Bend community here in Sparks, Nevada, and our new listing at 1009 Cour De La Argent. This is a manufactured home that's been converted to real property. It's about 1,600 square feet, a hair less at 1,593. 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, a nice den, a great HOA that includes pools, workout centers, and as well as water and sewers included in the HOA. So why don't you guys come check it out? We're gonna do a quick tour here and let us know if you'd like to take a tour.